Good day, sir. The video is entertaining and humorous, but it presents a serious message, which is the water wars. Water war is a contemporary issue that may stem from political, social, economic, historical, and geographical that could be interstate or intrastate. Earth is known as the blue planet. 70% of our surface is covered with water, but most of it is salty. Only 3% is fresh water, and out of the 3%, only 1% is for human consumption. The video portrays water wars between states and urban areas and agricultural areas, which is becoming more severe. It also portrays water insecurity and inequality. Wealthy people betting on drought severity while their fellow human beings suffer. Nations who control water for their political advantage and those in power have tried to find ways to monetize the sufferings of others. As water becomes scarcer, people get more aggressive in protecting their water rights. In fact, the fight over who gets to use the world's water has been a long ongoing battle. Pacific Institute has been compiling and maintaining data on water conflicts since the late 1980s. On their update, released mid-March 2022, there are over 1,300 water conflicts far back as the earliest known water war in ancient Mesopotamia, 4,500 years ago. Water wars triggers violence such as the demonstrations and riots in Iran in 2019, 2020, and 2021, and killings over access to irrigation in India and Pakistan. Water and water systems can be weapons of violence, such as when armed groups in Libya cut off water to Tripoli or when Israeli settlers flooded Palestinian in 2019. Also, water and water systems can be causalities of violence, such as when people or a nation is attacked during conflicts that may start for other reasons, such as when Egyptian hackers launched a cyber attack on Ethiopian water systems in June 2020 in opposition to the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance. Another example, Mexico City was once located on a large lake. Over the years, the Spanish drained the lake to make more rooms for more buildings. Today, the city is home to over 20 million people and has an acute water crisis. Lack of water results to thirst and harm. Each state wants to ensure they get their allotted water, and that's becoming more and more difficult. Water rights are an incredibly complex and fraught topic. When it comes to domestic conflict, UN steps in. However, they only focus on activism and education to prevent conflicts rather than solving it. Today, reserves are drying up. Key sources of fresh water are quickly becoming flashpoints for conflict. The population continues to grow while the amount of water continues to drop. We, the consumers of water, must join hands together to conserve and protect our water resources for us and for the future generations. So go out and make your own mark.